November 18th, 2023. Classic Karen meltdown at Taco Bell. She went disorderly and allegedly assaulted a customer. Staff called the cops. Entitlement served extra spicy.
So this lady comes around my car. No, this is my daughter.
Okay.
I'm the one. No, but she comes
where's this lady at?
She's somewhere in the line right there.
And like those two cars right there, like they saw everything.
So what she do?
So the first thing, she came around my car. She's got a glass of wine and she's screaming and yelling, getting in the face of the girl at the drive-thru. And I was like, "We need to calm down." She's like, "You're gonna get your food."
Which car is it?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if she's driving or not. I didn't want to go back there and worsen the situation.
What is she wearing?
She's a turquoise shirt.
You want to walk towards these
I
cars?
just want to walk back there by myself.
No, you're fine.
Because I don't want to worsen it. So she pushed me and I had to push her back to
In the driveway?
right here, right in front of him. Which I don't ever do, and I don't condone that. And
I got you.
But I don't know if she's driving.
You know what kind of car she's driving?
No, I don't know, because we don't even know where she came from. The one behind it?
Which car?
This one right here.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Step out.
Yeah, I was just...
Hey! Go ahead and step out for me.
Sure.
You're not in trouble. We got to figure out what's going on. So, go ahead and step over here.
No, I just asked the people what's taking so long. It's taking a long time.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, that's not it because that's not what they're telling me that more occurred.
Okay.
Did you get out of your car and walk up to the window?
I did. I got out of my car, I walked up the window, and I asked what is the problem that's taking so long for us to get a taco.
Okay. Were you yelling at the people in the drive-thru?
Yelling?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. I was asking.
Okay. So you don't recall raising your voice at them or anything?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I just asked them, why is it taking so long? As you can see, it's taking a long time to get a taco.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Well, they may have large orders in front of you. That could be why, but I don't know.
I understand.
So
we're
what happened with these other two people that are also customers? What happened with them?
I have no idea.
Did you get into an altercation with them?
Not to my awareness, no.
Not to your awareness. Did you push anybody?
No, I did not touch anybody.
Is there any reason why?
I did not touch.
Is there any reason why multiple people are saying?
Why are multiple people saying you?
I did not.
Okay.
I did not. I was just asking the people in the window, why is it taking so long
Do you want to do anything?
for a taco? That's all I did.
Okay. So here's the thing. What's your name?
My name is Crystal.
Crystal. So I just want to be honest with you, okay?
Sure. Richard Hush.
If you're not telling me the truth, that's not gonna be a good thing.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Moore. Okay.
Hello, Deputy Moore.
So if you're not telling me the truth, that's not gonna be a good thing for you. Did you push her? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
I did not touch any person.
Do you know that there's video cameras on the side of this building?
I don't care. I did not touch anybody.
Okay.
She swears she never yelled, because Karens don't yell, they just project superiority. Then comes the classic flex. Retired Air Force officer. Sure, ma'am, but tonight you're grounded. She claims she wasn't drunk, just socializing. Right, with denial as the main drink.
Good.
So
look at the cameras.
We intend to.
Okay.
All right.
I'm a retired major in the United States Air Force.
That does not matter.
I am not lying. I would not lie. What the hell is
So let me
this
ask
going
another
on?
question. Have you had anything to drink today?
Yes.
Perfect. Is it in the car?
No.
Why are people telling me that it's in the car?
I don't know. There's no one in the car except my husband.
Okay. What were you drinking? Is it beers?
I was
vodkas,
downtown with my crew, my Mardi Gras crew.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. Jiminy criminy. Okay. Basically, we've been here for a long time trying to get a taco.
Sure.
I got a little upset. I went up to the front and talked to the kids. It's like, why is it taking so long to get a taco? That's all I did. I didn't hit anyone. I didn't push anyone. I didn't do anything besides ask the guys, why is it taking so long to get a taco?
And you don't remember how these other people got involved at all?
But they didn't like me talking to the guy at the window.
Tenfold. And then what happened? What did they say or do?
Nothing besides be mean to me.
How were they being mean to you? I'm just asking because I wasn't here. I'm just trying to understand the picture of what happened. That's all.
This is absolutely silly. I was just like, it's taken us a long time. We've been here like almost an hour trying to get a taco. That's it. That's it. We're in line. My husband, that's my car.
Okay.
I'm here just trying to get a taco.
So these people are alleging a crime has occurred, so we're investigating that.
What did I do?
They're alleging that you pushed someone.
I pushed someone. Oh, well, that is definitely not true.
I hope not. I hope that it's not true.
That is definitely
So we're going to find out if it happened or not, and then we'll go from there.
Are you a policeman from Escambia?
No, you're in Santa Rosa
Or
County.
Santa Rosa.
Yeah, this is Santa Rosa County.
Okay. Because I have friends in Santa Rosa.
Okay, excellent.
I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't pushed anyone.
I hope not. I
don't
truly do.
understand what this is. And he's still here. It's been an hour. We're just trying to get a taco.
I understand.
That's all it was.
Okay.
I did not push anyone.
Also,
I promise. I did not push anyone.
Okay.
I did not touch anyone.
Okay.
I promise that.
I hope
I'm
not.
a retired major in the Air Force, and I did not hit, push. I don't understand why, but I'm standing here and taking it.
okay. Well, I
I'm
appreciate
taking
that.
what you want me to do.
Right now, we're just waiting to find out what the outcome is going to be. That's what my partner's doing. He's talking to folks who witnessed what happened and getting
Okay.
their version, and then he's going to come let us know what's going on.
I would like to see some time of anything that said I pushed someone. I
Okay.
didn't touch anyone.
Okay.
All right. When my husband actually gets our food, am I allowed to leave?
Not until we're finished, no. Sorry.
Okay.
We're trying to make this as quick as possible, but...
Okay. But do you realize how silly this is?
Well, if someone's alleging a crime occurred, it's not silly at all.
A crime?
Yes.
What is the crime?
I've already told you about
I
3 times.
pushed someone.
Yeah.
I did not push someone.
Also, if
but
the-
that's kind of silly,
Also,
too.
if the employees tell us that you created a disturbance, then
I
that
might
could
have
be...
done that because I was trying
Go
to
ahead.
say, how long is it going to take to get a taco? As a person, do you realize how silly that is?
Do you have your ID in the car?
Yes.
Can we grab it real quick? I'll walk with you.
Why?
Let's grab your ID.
No.
You have to tell me you have to give me your
I
ID.
gave it to you.
It's not coming back, so I need to see your actual ID. So let's
Why?
walk to your car. Walk to your car and give me your ID now.
Go talk to my husband.
No, I'm about to put you in handcuffs because you have to identify yourself because you're suspected of committing a crime. So this is the last chance I'm going to ask you to get your driver's license.
You know how silly this is.
Walk to your car now.
Go talk to my husband. Go talk to my husband.
I'm-
He has my ID. It's in the car.
Crystal refuses to show her ID, laughing like this is open mic night at Taco Bell. She calls the whole thing ridiculous and insists she just wanted a taco. Then she demands the officer talk to her husband as if he's her legal department.
Let's go.
Richard,
Get your ID for me
this
now.
man is manhandling me.
Can you open the door, please, sir? So we
He
can
is
get her ID.
manhandling me.
Please.
He is manhandling me.
Grab-
Call Pierce.
Grab your ID
Call
for me.
Pierce.
Grab
right
your ID
now.
for me.
Sure. Give him my ID. I have no problem with that.
Is that hers you're grabbing for me?
Yes, he is.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
It's hers and mine.
Okay, wonderful. We're going to be down here by my car, okay?
Be careful.
Let's go.
Be careful.
Yeah, Temple.
I haven't done anything wrong.
We'll slow down that
What
way.
is
Get out of
wrong?
here.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay.
Besides have a problem that it took an hour to get a taco. I didn't push anyone.
Okay.
I didn't hurt anyone. I
Okay.
did nothing besides have a problem that took an hour to get a taco.
Okay. Yeah, she's going to have a seat.
What?
You're being detained. You're not under arrest. You're just being detained. Give me your.
What?
Relax.
Who are you? Who are you?
Don't talk to her.
I don't know who she is.
You don't need to worry about
I've
it.
never seen that woman.
What does it matter?
Well, it matters. No.
Stop.
No.
You're about to catch another charge.
You're about to go to jail for sure if you
Resist.
stop.
Wait a minute.
Resist obstruct if you don't go in
Wait,
this car.
let my husband come to me.
Sit down.
Please let
Sit
my
down.
let my husband come to me.
Okay, now
Let my husband.
you're going to jail.
Sit down now.
Let my husband come. Let my husband come to. What the f are you doing?
What's that, Mr. Wagner?
How you doing?
I am so sorry for this situation. First of all,
no, that's okay. No, you have to do what you can do. We understand that.
Okay.
I've been in the military 30 years.
That's
I understand that.
I saw. Yeah, I appreciate your service, man, and hers as well. But
She did 20.
she can't. What she did tonight was wrong, man.
I know what she did. All I remember is she said, "I'm gonna go talk to people."
Well, she didn't abide by our lawful commands when we were trying to detain her because she was getting irate. We were trying to get in her car just for her to cool down. She wouldn't get inside, man. We had to force to push her in. So she's being charged with resist at this point.
Okay.
So resist, disorderly conduct, because Taco Bell says she was yelling and disturbing their business, as well as there was an independent witness who's not related to the female that she pushed. So she's being charged with battery as well. So that's. I'm sorry, man.
No,
but
it is what it is. Okay.
Once she's out of jail,
She's not one of these countries. Okay, it's okay.
once she's released from jail, she'll give you a call. You can pick her up at Santa Rosa County Jail.
Okay.
Okay. Again, man, this is not on you. This is on her.
It is what it is.
How much has she drank tonight?
She was having a good time. We were having a party.
Okay. All right. Do you want me to keep her military ID?
I'll give it to her.
Okay. All right, man.
No. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you. Maybe you heard me.
I need you to stop banging.
Well, then help. It hurts.
Our Karen, now comfortably seated in the patrol car, turns the drama up a notch, crying victim over a single taco. According to her, this is police brutality, wrapped in a tortilla.
You're hurting me.
You're not getting out of those handcuffs right now.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay. We just literally had to push you in this car because you wouldn't listen to us. And
You know how funny this is?
no, it's not funny.
It is funny. It is funny.
we don't find this-
Basically, I went to the window at Taco Bell and I said, "You guys are taking forever." And then all of a sudden, I'm on handcuffs. That's all that happened.
That's illegal. She asked for an attorney, so I'm not gonna.
Right.
All right.
My attorney.
You can call.
If you were allowed to give me my phone, if I had my hands,
No, you're not.
I could call him.
You're under
but
arrest.
You're not allowing me that.
You don't have a right to call him right now.
Not right
you
now.
have a right to call him once you get to the jail.
Correct.
I'm not going to jail.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you-
What is wrong with you people? Because I couldn't get a taco. Because I couldn't get a taco. So I want this all recorded. Right? You got that, Mr. Driver? Mr. Driver, you got that? I have asked for my lawyer, but I can't call him because you put me in handcuffs because I couldn't get a taco at Taco Bell. So this is going to be a funny story on WER.
She ended the night with the holy trinity of Karen charges: battery, resisting an officer, and disorderly intoxication. Not bad for someone who just wanted a taco combo. Maybe don't turn Taco Tuesday into a felony fiesta. For some people, common sense is the only thing off the menu.